Model, 66-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 CDTI. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 96,060. MOT, the 27th of July 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,395. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.